guys, Jessica here from Abracadabra Refurbished. Here's my hubby George, helping me turn this old antique falling apart stereo into a beautiful decor piece that has shelves and lights. Using my Klingon S50, I painted the inside with Refurbished Gentleman. I have already top coated this piece with Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Matte Finish, and now I'm going to apply teak-wooded amber furniture salve, and for some drama I will be adding dark walnut hemp oil wax. I applied the salve with my 2-inch palm-held round waxing brush. So, my inspiration for this piece, I really love tie-dye, and my favorite color is blue. So, with my water bottle, I made this washed out blue tie-dye effect. To start, because this piece is an antique, we had to use wood filler with this piece, we first primed it using Wise Owl white primer. I then coated it with Wise Owl CSP color Limestone. Over the top of the limestone, I painted on Refurbished Gentleman. So, to try and get the tie-dye effect, I used my water bottle and sprayed the water to make the blue look washed out, creating a tie-dye effect. I'm going to use Wise Owl Black Chalk Synthesis paint, my JRV stencil brush, size 18, at the JRV Tile Stencil. I added salt wash to my synthesis paint. I use spray adhesive a little bit to put the stencil down so it doesn't move around. And I'm just going to dab it on there. You can, the first ones I used salt wash, you guys. So I didn't have to dab off, but if you're going to have just regular paint, you're going to want a rag right next to you, and you're going to want to offload. You're going to have, I don't know if this rag's clean enough. Excuse me, you're going to want to have a rag, and you're going to offload like this. Let's hope I made this thick enough, or I'll end up with a blur tube. Blur, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Use the swirl method as well, but I usually don't because, well, I do. I swirl it because sometimes I will move the paint around a little quicker, but then I still blot it some more, dab it, so that I give it that, I want the texture. I don't want the swirl marks from the brush. I'll quick show you guys what the bag looks like. The JRV Tile Stencil. Ta-da! Magic. If you are interested in this look, you may find these products at my shop, or you may head to my website, www.abracadabrarefurbished.com. You may shorten that as well by typing in Abra Refurb. Thanks for watching, and remember, those that don't believe in magic will never find it.